Hey, welcome back to Nick Pick Locks. Tonight I have a Yale mortise cylinder. We've picked Yales before and talked about the keyways, but y'all see how small this thing is? It's only 4 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. Zoom in here. Now they're all pretty high lips, but 4 pins. That was interesting. So I'd never seen a 4-pin Yale before. So thought we could pick it and take a look at it. And yeah, but we'll get this thrown into the vise, get it picked open, and then we'll take it apart. Didn't mean to throw it, but here we go. Clockwise now. All right, we're going to go counterclockwise with bottom of keyway using the Mortise short flat. Start with 1, it's binding. There we go, got a click. Now 2's binding. Work it up. I'm trying. It feels like it's probably overset, but whatever. 3, 4. What's 4 doing? Is it binding? Yeah, a little bit. There we go. That got set. 1, 2. We can actually get 2 set this time. 3. There we go. That was weird. All right, let's get this thing open. So we got 2 Phillips screws in the back here. Get these out. 1 and 2. Interested to see what's in this slot, because the key pins, or at least this front one's colored, so it's been repinned by somebody. Get my hands to work. There we go. There we go. All right. Let's see. Nothing on the cord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see these key pins. They look standard. A slight taper to them. But I'm going to call them standard. All right. Let's look at our drivers. Standard. So they're all going to be standard. There's no counter rotation or anything. No extra clicks. Kind of a formality, I guess, just to go ahead and pull them all. Well, there we go. Yep, all standard. But 4-pin Yale's kind of neat. So, get that shown to you there. So, some high lifts. Thanks for watching. If nobody told you, you matter, you're important, and I'm glad you're here. Y'all have a good night.
Juno, you want to subscribe?